Hello. In this series of C programming, till now we discuss types of operator, what is the precedence, what is the associative, and in previous last video we already discussed what is the arithmetical operator, what is the precedent and associative. Now here in this video we are going to discuss what is relational operator and its associative. So let's start. So what is relational operator? Now relational operator is nothing but it construct or operate which going to test something or test the value, or it defines some kind of relation between the two entities. That is, we require here two values and we are going to test some conditional values, that is numerical equality or it is a non-equality. Like for example, if 5 equal to 5 and inequality like 4 greater than or equal to 3. So that is the relational operator. Now why we are using the relational operator? Now these are used to create test expression, test, or you can test condition also that controls program flow. Now this type of expression is nothing but a Boolean type of expression. Now what is mean by Boolean type of expression? Boolean, that is, it gives the answer value or it can evaluate like true or false or 0 and 1. That is called as a Boolean expression. So there are 6 common relational operators we are going to discuss here, and which gives the Boolean value. That is, we comparing the relationship between two operands, that is two variable values. Now let's see what are the 6 common relational operators. In this table you can see these are the 6 relational operators. This compare numerical value, character, string or logical data. So it used to compare any relational values or numerical value, variables. So relational operator can compare numerical character, string and logical data. So it can compare some numerical value, integers value, some character, string and logical data. Now it returns some Boolean values or Boolean expression. So what is mean by Boolean? So it gives the result in the form of either true or either false. Now false is indicated by 0 and true is indicated by 1. So less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to and non equal to. These are all the relational operator. Now let's understand one by one what is mean by equal to operator. Now equal to operator, like for example, if A is equal to B and this checks the operator two variables, that is operand A and B. If it is true then it return true. If it is not, then it returns 0 or false. Then next operator is nothing but the not equal to. So it can be indicated like this. And example is if A is not equal to B. So here we are going to discuss now A's value is 10 and B is 2. Now it's not an equal to, so it's not equal to and it's true. So that's why it checks two variable, that is A and B is not equal to, that is 10 and 2. So it returns true because it's available operand equal to each other or not. So it's going to check not equal to operator. Now next operator is the less than operator. Now suppose A is 10 and B is 2. Now in less than operator, if A is less than B, now it's false. So it returns, so it checks the condition, that check the first variable operand is lesser than the second. Then according to that it returns false. Now next is the greater than operator. Now greater than operator is also similarly work. Like if it is greater, that is A is 10 is greater than B, so it's true, so it returns true. So first available operand is greater than second one, so that's why it is written true. Then next operator associativity. Now let's understand this with this table. So this is the associativity table. Now why we use? Because if there are two operators of the same precedence, Now in last video we know that what is precedence. Precedence is nothing but it gives the higher priority that which operator is going to execute first, second, third and etc. So precedence is nothing but is provide the order. So here associativity is required to operator with the same precedent appear in the expression. If there are same kind of precedence is there, then we can move the operations according to direction. That is, it can be either left to right or right to left. So according, so we already discussed on this operation like unary, plus plus in previous video. Now these are the some arithmetical operator. Now this operator like unary plus plus, it can be expected to solve or execute from right to left. But if there are arithmetical operator like multiplication, division and modulus. Now these three operators have the same precedence. Same precedence, that is it can be evaluated at the same higher priority. So from where it going to execute, so it will going to execute from left to right, and plus and minus these are all also left to right. So most of the, this is the relational operator, it can also perform or it can also execute or solve left to right. So all these are the logical operator, these are all the left to right. You just have to remember that unary operator are performing from right to left, and some these operators are performing from right to left. So rest of the operator at associativity is having left to right. So this is the operator associativity. So this is all about relational operator and operator associativity. Now the next video we're going to discuss what is a bitwise operator. Thank you.